Here's a wee quick and easy fix for anybody with an Ace K concrete nailer. This man left this one on for repair because he broke the magazine and a couple of components got damaged, like the spring guys. So you can't get it back together again, and the magazine's not functioning. It's not pushing the nails up. So this one came in pieces. So we're going to see if we can fix it up. Now this here is an Ace K 15 gauge T-head concrete nailer. This is a nail gun for actually driving steel nails into concrete. Specialist nailer. A cheap and, well, not a cheap and cheerful one. An affordable one, but still good enough quality. And repairable as well, because you can get all the spare parts for these things. Which is what we're going to do here now today, because we have some spare parts to fix it up. So this is the main thing that's damaged. Also still have the spring. And some new parts have just arrived for it. So new guide, lifter, and one little screw. Doesn't take very much to fix this. If you damage this boy at all, you're not going to be able to use the nailer. If this gets dented at all, this here slider is not going to go up and down. This got crushed, so it now won't allow the nail guide to go up. Totally jammed up, so that is no good anymore now. This is how you put this magazine back together again. So this here's the guide, but it doesn't fit up this way. It actually comes down from the top. That's the mistake most people make. So this is the guide, this is the spring. That actually fits inside this long metal guide. Push it all the way in, as far as you can get it. Then get your actual magazine, your feed, your nail feed then. Put that on top. Push that on too. And while holding all this, drop this end. See, it has this little wee round on it for actually catching on the plastic guard. That's what stops it from pushing out. Push that on, and then just push it down onto the magazine. That'll actually hold there just like that. So this is what's pushing your nails, and this here is what's the spring pushing your nail feed up. Now to install it, very easy. Just get this nail feed, this round bar and everything, onto this track here first. Line that up, and then you're lining the magazine onto the two tracks either side of here. So that's it installed. Of course, you can just slide back out again to stop it from doing that, and actually open the thing up when you want to fix it. There's this here screw, this is the stop screw. Tighten that down. That stops the magazine coming all the way out. So now you have nails in this here now. This here nail guide will be compressed down by the spring and push the nails up under the gun, allowing it to actually fire nails again. The last wee thing is just a little screw for the bottom. And that is just going on down here to guarantee this spring guide doesn't come out. And that's it. One Ace K concrete nailer ready for work again. Now this one, this wee Ace K, obviously hasn't done an awful lot of work. Still fairly fresh looking. Either must have dropped it or damaged it or something, but he damaged this here bar, and that's what messed up the whole thing. A few euro for a couple of extra parts. These things actually cost very little. All them parts didn't even cost 10 euro, and that's it. Up and running again. That is how you fix the magazine feed on your Ace K AN1019 T-head concrete nailer. Very quick and easy fix. Most certainly isn't expensive. That's it. Ready to go.